The dog stands as one of the most cherished pets across the world, not merely for its playful energy and affectionate nature, but for its unparalleled loyalty to its owner. From the moment a dog enters a home, it forms a deep, instinctive bond that transcends simple companionship, often viewing its human family as its entire pack. This loyalty manifests in countless ways. A wagging tail greeting at the door after a long day, protective instincts that make it stand guard during times of uncertainty, and an unwavering devotion that remains constant even in the face of neglect or hardship. Unlike many other animals, a dog's love is pure and unconditional, offering comfort during sorrow, joy in moments of celebration, and a silent promise of faithfulness that has earned it the timeless title of man's best friend. Whether through gentle companionship on quiet evenings or courageous acts of bravery, the dog's loyalty reminds us of the profound beauty in selfless love and trust.